Do you worry about, because small data sets are great, but to get the small data sets, you often have to collect everything to work out which of the small data sets that are useful. So do you do any, I mean, obviously we've all got GDPR compliance and other ethic considerations. So do you worry about how much data you collect and the purpose of collecting the data, or do your companies collect the data and work out?
Well, again, if I look at what we've done is we've moved now towards using explanations, and we either use Lego or we use a Rubik's Cube. So the Rubik's Cube has got 6 different dimensions of data that we collect around customers, colleagues, place, assets, and so on. And then what we've then introduced is this idea of data families. So what's the critical information that I need to know about you as a customer? I need to know your name, where you live, probably how much you pay and how much you consume. And then you then can start to join smaller bits of information together and then focus on the quality and then start to expand it out. And I think that's common across, but when you then want to share that across industry, to like the gas industry or the electricity or the telecoms industry, they might collect different things that might be different, important to them. So I think having some common standards across sectors is going to become more and more important. So we can actually share information for good and use techniques to anonymize it.